Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Today, we'll see how to access any Wi-Fi, whether it's WPA, WPA2, or WPA3, and how to crack its key or password using an evil twin attack. We'll explore how hackers use this, how we can use it, and crucially, how to protect ourselves against it. The evil twin attack is a common technique in the hacking world. Before we starting our video, here's the disclaimer that this video is only for educational purpose. Kindly don't apply these attacks to your neighbors or in public illegal activity. For this, you'll need a NodeMCU, a specific ESP8266 development board, which is available and which I have. Connect it to my laptop via a wire. Then install the Arduino IDE software. As you can see on my screen, I already have it installed. Next, install the NodeMCU drivers and navigate to the link I'll provide in the description. You'll find the Windows drivers there for installation. Thirdly, you'll need to go to the GitHub page to get the Wi-Fi script. This is an ESP8266 Wi-Fi.ino. It's easily accessible on the GitHub page. You'll find the entire system and installation process there. Here's what you need to do. 1. Open Arduino IDE. 2. Go to File, then Preferences. 3. In the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, paste the link from the GitHub page, the Install Using Arduino IDE URL. 4. Download the Wi-Fi file from GitHub either as a zip folder or by copying the code into your Arduino IDE. 5. Go to Tools, then Board, then Boards Manager, search for dauthor, and install the dauthor ESP8266 package. 6. Go to Tools, then Board, and select the dauthor ESP8266 board and choose NodeMCU. 7. Go to Tools, then Port, and select the correct port for your device. After that, open the Wi-Fi script. You'll need to make a few changes. Change the SSID, the AP name, copy AP name, and go to the Edit, Replace option and paste it. Type your chosen name and replace all. I'm changing to my own CyberLabs. Change the password to your desired one. Same here. Copy the password and paste it. Click Replace All. Password is 123456778. Once updated, verify the code. Click Verify. It will verify that code is correct or not. It takes a few seconds to complete. If there will be an error, it will show us to change the code for compiling properly. After uploading, the device will act as an evil twin access point. Any user who clicks on your Wi-Fi name and tries to connect will be prompted with a page stating firmware update failed and asked for a password. Here's compiling is completed successfully. Now upload it in your board. Wait for it. When it will complete, it will show like an AP that you have created. After completing, I will show you that this Wi-Fi AP will showing on my Wi-Fi setting. It's completed. Now go to the Wi-Fi and see it is appearing the name of CyberLabs AP. It is the access point of my board. Simply connect with it and go to the admin page. Here's Wi-Fi list, and I will select my victim's Wi-Fi, MT link. After selected, I will start Evil Twin Attack. Now move to the mobile phone. Wi-Fi is showing like MT link, and if victim connect with it, it will show a page like software error. If they enter the correct password, they are connected, like this verifying integrity. And this password is incorrect. Now we type the correct password. We will verify the password is saved or not. Go to the same admin page. And that's it. It cracked properly. To stay safe, avoid connecting to suspicious open Wi-Fi networks even if they look familiar. Always use strong, complex passwords to protect your own networks. See you in the next video.